tearing this barn down. Again, I'm still just practicing, just trying to get some random footage I can come up with. Stuff I got going on so that I can keep practicing. That way when I do start upgrading equipment, I have a better idea of what I need, and I'll have a better idea how to operate it. If you read my description section on my last video, you know I learned a couple lessons yesterday. One was I need to buy some spare batteries, and two was something about the operation of my camera, which is it appears to have a 20-minute timer on a video. I didn't realize that before, so at the end of 20 minutes it just cut, and I ended up losing a lot of good footage of taking the main part of the TN off. But anyways, know that now. It's all a learning experience. That's why I'm doing this. So hope y'all enjoy. Well, I got the tin off the roof. That was my biggest concern. So the hurricane blows in now. At least the tin's not going to be blown away. I'm going to go take me a break, get me a nice new white monster, sit down and enjoy some cool air. Y'all have a good day. Remember, it's not about what they do, it's about what we do.